prevent any infections, be sure to clean your mats regularly. To clean your mats, first, you'll want to use the Dollamur dry microfiber mop pad to dust away any loose dirt. Sweep the mat the same way you would a gym floor, by using a continuous sweeping motion without lifting the mop pad. Then you'll need to mix the mat cleaner disinfectant according to the directions on the bottle. Spray the mat generously with the mixture. Apply enough cleaner to see it visibly bead up on your mat surface. Let it set for 10 minutes. With the wet disinfectant mop pad, mop your mat the same way you swept it, by using a continuous sweeping motion without lifting the mop pad. Be sure to change out the mop pads as they are visibly dirty, then allow the mat to air dry. Dollamur Mat Cleaner is a disinfectant that is effective against a broad spectrum of bacteria that inhibits the growth of mold and mildew. It cleans, disinfects, and deodorizes in just a few easy steps.